In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord camera webcam not working on PC. If your webcam isn't showing up or you're seeing a black preview, we'll walk through the key settings inside Discord and make sure your camera and drivers are set up correctly. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you should see a working preview. Start by opening Discord on your PC. Look at the very bottom left of the app, next to your avatar. Click the small gear icon to open User Settings. This is where Discord keeps all the controls for audio and video devices. Inside Settings, find and select the section called Voice and Video. It's the place where your input and output devices are configured, and it also includes the camera controls we need. Now scroll to the camera area. This section lists any cameras Windows detects, including built-in laptop cameras, USB webcams, or virtual cameras created by other software. Right here, click Test Video. This built-in preview shows exactly what Discord is receiving from your camera. If you see yourself clearly, great. Your camera is working in Discord. If the preview is black, frozen, or shows the wrong device, continue with the next adjustments. Use the camera drop-down to pick the correct device. If your laptop has an integrated camera and you also use a USB webcam, you might see more than one option. Choose the one that matches your actual webcam's name or brand. Give Discord a second or two to refresh the preview after each selection, and check Test Video again to confirm. If your camera still isn't appearing, reconnect your webcam. Gently unplug the USB cable, wait a moment, and plug it back in. If possible, connect directly to your computer instead of through a USB hub. After reconnecting, return to the camera drop-down in Discord and select the device again once it's detected. Then use Test Video to verify that the image appears. If the camera is recognized but still not working properly, download any drivers your webcam may need. Visit the official website for your webcam's manufacturer, locate the exact model of your device, and download the latest Windows driver or support software. Install it by following the on-screen instructions and avoid third-party driver sites. Updated drivers often improve compatibility with apps like Discord and can resolve detection issues and black previews. That's all you need to do. Open User Settings, go to Voice and Video, use the camera section and test video, pick the correct device, reconnect your webcam, and install the proper drivers if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your camera working in Discord.